Good morning guys, in front of me is OnePlus 12 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first, open the settings. Then find and select users and accounts and click on add account right here. Now select Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or LTE, whatever, and just without the network connection you will not be able to log in. And now provide your email address or phone number. And click on next. Now provide the password. Let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, tap on next. Click on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, the account is added. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.